Hello, James Malarkey with Malarkey Roofing Products, here to discuss Malarkey's synthetic underlayment offering for shingle roofs. If you're unfamiliar with synthetic underlayments, they're a core component for building a fortified roof system that improves the life of your shingles while providing a secure working surface and an additional layer of defense against rain and moisture. Malarkey offers 3 synthetic underlayments: Secure Start SG for smooth grade, Secure Start Plus, and Secure Start Permeable. Each underlayment is designed with different layers to create a distinct performance feature to tackle various roof designs. Secure Start Smooth Grade is Malarkey's performance synthetic for lower slope installations 212 and greater. Designed to improve the installation of product while maximizing functionality, it features a smooth back woven scrim for strength that allows the material to be quickly positioned and placed under difficult areas, and a waterproofing, non-woven surface that provides adequate safety and ease of movement of materials, speeding installation. Secure Start Plus is Malarkey's performance underlayment for steeper slope roofing applications. It will work on 212 and greater slopes and is designed to maximize performance on roof pitches 612 and greater, where added strength is necessary. The 5-layer underlayment has 2 additional layers. The bottom layer is a non-woven surface that grips the deck surface and reinforces placement of the material. In the center is an additional layer which increases functional waterproofing and tear strength. The top layer has a raised non-woven surface that dramatically increases walkability and prevents shingles from sliding. Although this can slow the installation of shingles, it makes for an incredibly safe work environment. Secure Start Permeable is Malarkey's flagship underlayment, designed for roofs 212 slope and greater, whose primary function is improving the breathability of your home. Moisture doesn't just come from outside of the home, but inside too. If not properly ventilated, moisture like this can become trapped inside the home. Over time, trapped moisture can create premature rotting and failure of wood-based materials like your roof deck. Secure Start Permeable's one-way permeability releases moisture from within while keeping moisture out. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something about synthetic underlayments. For more information, visit malarkeyroofing.com